Guys, this is Shivani Sengar. I worked as an intern at Lexcliq company. In today's video, I will discuss crime against women is on rise in India. Crime against women in the recent days is growing day by day, which is unbearable in every possible need. The women are becoming the vulnerable group of society as they are being exploited in every corner. In ordinary language, a crime is an unlawful act punishable by a state or other authority. It is said that during the ancient India, women enjoyed equivalent status and rights like their male counterparts. In addition, they were properly educated in the uh, early Vedic period. Their status declined during the medieval period, and several evil practices like sati parda system, etc., were started. But there was a little development in the women's status in modern India. There were many reformers who worked for the upliftment and betterment of their female counterparts. But in spite of all efforts, crime against women has been on increase. Crime against women is of various natures. It includes crimes involving sexual exploitation for economic gains like prostitution and trafficking, adultery, abduction, rape, wrongful confinement, murder, etc. on one hand, and crimes related to women's property like dishonest misappropriation, criminal breach of trust, domestic violence, dowry, extortion, and outraging the modesty of women, etc. On the other hand, these crimes are not only injurious and immoral for the women but for the society as a whole. The crime has much to do with the existing low status of women prevalent in our society. They are most oppressed and subjugated section of society. Though various measures at education, economic independence have been taken, but they are far more improving their status, which directly or indirectly helps at increasing crime against women. Promises to address gender gap are far more reality. In India, women do not seem to enjoy all the rights to freedom provided under the Constitution of India. According to the National Records Bureau, India, a crime against women is recorded every 1.6 minutes in India. Every 4.8 minutes, a girl is subjected to domestic violence in this country, and every 13.5 minutes, a rape case is recorded. Aggression, violence, and crime against women, which comprise about 48 to 49% of population, is not a matter of joke. The seriousness and frequency of violence and crime against women is well evident. When the pages of daily newspaper are turned, when television is viewed, daily hundreds of cases of murder, rape, molestation, sexual abuse, and eve teasing, forcing women to prostitution, etc., are reported by media. The gang rape of a medical student on 16th December 2012 by 6 persons under the effect of alcohol in a bus in the national capital region has shaken the whole country. Under public pressure after the Delhi gang rape, India widened the scope of what is considered sexual assault and increased the penalty for these crimes. Stronger laws, however, can only do much less if attitudes don't change with them. It is what a child is taught from starting what matters, as it becomes a psychology in child's mind about what is desirable and what is not. Gender equity should be taught from very starting only. Even the famous lines by Mary Estelle 1668 to 1731 makes us think deeply. They are, if all men are born free, how is it that all women are born slaves? Violence against women and girls rooted in gender-based discrimination and social norms and gender stereotypes that perpetuate such violence. Government has taken many measures to empower women like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, reservation of women in different areas, National Mission for Empowerment of Women, Rajiv Gandhi scheme for empowerment of adults and girls, Ujjwala, etc. But we need to teach our children from very starting that men and women are born equal and there should not be any discrimination in them. Then only a real change will come in the society. So that's all guys. Thank you.